This store sells this product as well as this product, and it managed to make over $36,000 in just 1 month and sold more than 1,400 orders. The surprise is that it doesn't run any ads. All it relies on is TikTok and Instagram by making daily videos and posting them on its TikTok and Instagram accounts, with the store link in the bio. It sells this product for about $40, while the cost of the product is around $13. Today, I will teach you step by step how to start in dropshipping and create an online store, and I will introduce you to the supplier through which you can get these products at low prices and link them to your store so that you can sell these products and work in dropshipping. The first step is to go to the Shopify registration link in the video description, where you will get a 3-day free trial. Through Shopify, you will be able to get a professional online store, and your first month after the free trial will cost only $1 instead of $39, so this is a suitable opportunity for you to start dropshipping at the lowest cost. Here you will enter your email address and start following the simple and easy registration steps, and in this step, it will ask you about the country where you will sell, and you can choose any country here. Then click on Next. Here you will choose to register, for example, via email, and start entering your password and create the online store with ease. In seconds, your online store will be built, and you will be redirected to the store's control panel, where you can add your products and customize the look of the online store. Here, you will find that the free trial has started, and you can click here on Select a Plan to see the plans available to you. If you are a beginner, I recommend the basic plan. You will get it for just $1. You will start by clicking on Select Basic, and here you can enter your credit card details or pay via PayPal. It's clear in front of you that you will pay $1 instead of $39. The second step is to find a supplier from which we can get the products, and that supplier is Zendrop. There is also a free plan in Zendrop that will provide you with thousands of products. The advantage of Zendrop is that it offers auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and their support is excellent. We will start by clicking here on Install, to begin installing this app on the store. After that, we will click again on Install, and with that, the Zendrop app is installed. To go to the Zendrop app, we will click here on Apps, and Zendrop will start appearing in front of us. We will begin by clicking on it. Zendrop is the supplier from which we can get the products and link them to the online store. As soon as the customer orders the product from our store and pays for the product through the payment gateways we link to the store, we will go to Zendrop and send the product to the customer. The advantage of Zendrop is that it has many categories, including shoes, clothes, accessories, gifts, watches, headphones, and many other products. We will start searching for this product here on Zendrop. We will find many diverse forms of the same product that we can sell, and their prices are very low. You will find that this product is available, but its price is high. However, if we scroll down, we will find other lower prices for the same product. The same product is about $12, which is very suitable to start with. You can search for the products you want to start with. This product is similar to the product that is being sold, like this one, for about $40, while its cost here is around $7, $9, or $10. To add a product, we will start by clicking on it like this. Here we will find all the information about this product, including the available colors and sizes, as well as the product price in addition to the shipping price, which varies from one country to another. You can select the country from here, and you will find that the shipping cost is different. This is the total product price. We will start adding the product by clicking here on Add to My Products. The product is now added to My Products, and we can go back and add more products. For example, I can add this product as well by clicking here. After that, I will find the products I added in this area, My Products, and here they are. I can click on Review and Publish, where I can edit the product name, the product description, and the variations, which refer to the available colors and sizes. I can also edit the sale price. For example, I can set it to $39. Here, it shows your net profit if you sell 1 unit of this product, and here you can select the images that will appear in your online store. Then, click on Publish to My Store, and then click Confirm. We will go back here and repeat the same steps with this product, and with that, these 2 products will be published on my online store and linked here with Zendrop. As soon as I receive an order on the store, it will reflect here in the Orders section in Zendrop. Let's go back to the store and look at the products by clicking on Products. We will already find the 2 products here, and we can edit any product by clicking on it, allowing us to modify everything in this area, whether it's the colors, prices, or anything related to the product. We can click here on Preview to see how the product looks on our store. This is the standard product page, but we need to start editing this page as well as the store's homepage. How do we begin customizing them? By going here to Online Store. Here you will click on Remove Password, so your store can be published. But to start customizing the store, we will click here on Customize. And this will open the control panel for the store, where we can edit everything. For example, the settings here allow us to easily add a logo, which will appear in this area, or to modify the colors, texts, or purchase buttons, and so on. Or we can click here, for example, on this banner and select an image to change this banner, or click on this text and change the text. To edit the product page, we will click on any product, and it will take us to the product page, where we can edit everything here by clicking in this area. We can modify the colors and all the features here. I have a video explaining how to build a professional online store on Shopify. You will find it on the channel, and I'll leave it for you in the video description. But for now, let me go and test this product and see if it will be sent immediately to Zendrop or not. If we go to the online store and click here, scroll down for example, and select this product and choose, for instance, this color, and start purchasing it, we will enter all the customer details here and begin purchasing the product. After your customer places the order, if we go here to the store, we will find it here in Orders. This is the order, and if we click on it, we will see all the details about the product and the customer. But if we go here to Zendrop and reload, we will indeed find the order here. If we click on Orders, we will see the order here, and this is the product that the customer ordered, and this is the product cost without the profits. When the customer places an order, they should have paid you via the payment gateway you link to the store from here, Payments. You should have linked a payment gateway, whether it's PayPal or payment gateways that allow the customer to pay via credit card, like Shopify Payments, for example, or Stripe. After the customer pays you for the order, you will come here to Zendrop, and then you click on Fulfill Order. However, you should have added balance here in this area by clicking here. And you can add balance via credit card or PayPal so that Zendrop can deduct from them. The advantage of Zendrop's free plan is that it offers you 25 orders that you can fulfill and ship to customers, but this process will be manual. You'll have to enter the system yourself, click here, and send the order to the customer. But if you want this process to be automatic, you come here and click on Upgrade. It will offer you 2 plans in Zendrop. I recommend the $49 plan if you're a beginner, as it provides something called auto-fulfillment, and it won't be limited by the number of products, like 25 products. No, the limit will be lifted here, as you can see. Another benefit of the second plan is that it gives you $100 in credits, which will be added here, allowing you to send orders with that credit. So, it's a very cost-effective plan to start with. Let me tell you to first try the 25 free orders. All you have to do is, once the customer places an order, enter the order cost here and send the order to them, and the process will be done smoothly. After that, you can create an account on TikTok and put the store link in the bio. Start creating daily content for the products you will add to your store. You will find tutorials on the channel for winning products, as well as how to build an online store and modify all the settings here, whether it's shipping settings, payment methods, or domains, and how to customize your online store and build an online store with ease. I wish you a happy journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.